So, I don't know if you can hear me or not with the wind. Normally I'm in here, it's raining, not a whole lot going on. You can see the wind actually does come in here a good bit. Whoa! What the kids are doing. Zula there seemed to making a thing of it, taking off and running died. Rain back there don't care. Tilly buried. But here comes Azula. Azula just tripping out going into all the windstorm. Run, little turtle. But normally about this time of night, it's like this in here. So, come on, Azula, you can do it. You can do it. Climb, little turtle. Anyway, everybody's going to be okay. Enjoy your storm season. Good night, everybody. You up there, Azula? Oh, here's the wind and the rain. Oh, run, little doggy. She's trying to get out of it, too.